Hello everyone. In this is the tutorial in which I will show you how you can install Teachment app in your phone, and how you can create your ID as a teacher or as a student in this app. So this is my Play Store app. So first of all, you have to open Play Store, Google Play Store in your phone, and in this search box, just click on the search box and type Teachment. So after typing Teachment, you just click on one option, first option of Teachment. So you will get this screen where it will show you to install this application. So I had already installed it in my phone, that is why it is showing me to open this application, right? So if you haven't installed it in your phone, then it will show you to install. So first of all, you just click on the install. After installation, the Teachment app will be downloaded in your phone, installed in your phone. So after that, you just open it. So let me open it. So after opening it, you will get this screen, and it will ask you to enter your phone number, right? So I will just enter my phone number here. So after entering the phone number, it will ask OTP, which will be automatically accepted, right? You don't have to enter the OTP manually. It will automatically send the OTP, and it will automatically be accepted, and it will show you this screen, right, where you have to select you are going to enroll yourself as teacher or as a student in this Teachment app, right? So if you want to enroll yourself as teacher, so just click on teacher, right? Or if you want you are a student and you want to create your ID as a student, then you just click on student, right? So I had clicked on student, and here I will write my name. So after writing the name, you can just click on this arrow button, and from here you can see you can also add your profile picture. From the add profile picture option, you just click on this option. It will show you application, album or gallery application. So you just open your album or gallery application. From there you can choose any one photo, and you can put your profile picture here, right? So I'm leaving it for now, you can do it later on. So after doing these things, just click on continue. So after continue, you will get this screen where it will ask you to enter classroom ID, right? So if suppose if your teacher sends you the link, अगर आपके टीचर आपको लिंक भेजे हैं, right, for any class or any subject, तो उस लिंक में क्लासरूम आईडी दिया हुआ रहता है, ओके? सो आपको बस वो क्लासरूम आईडी को यहाँ पे टाइप करना है. So I am having one classroom ID with me, so I will just paste it here, right? So this is a classroom ID. So you will get the classroom ID if your teacher sends you the link. ठीक है, अगर आपके टीचर ने किसी लिंक को आपको शेयर किया है, वहाँ से आपको क्लासरूम आईडी मिल जाएगा. सो देखा आपने, जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे क्लासरूम आईडी एंटर किया, यहाँ पे एनरोल क्लासरूम का बटन क्या हो गया, एक्टिव हो गया, राइट? तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँगा. सो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन इट, यू कैन सी एनरोलमेंट रिक्वेस्ट सेंट. सो एनरोलमेंट रिक्वेस्ट इस क्लासरूम के लिए मेरा रिक्वेस्ट टीचर के पास चला गया है, राइट? You can see here it is written class A, B and C, approval pending. So my approval is pending. It means that my teacher has not approved me yet, right? So जब तक टीचर वहाँ से हमारे रिक्वेस्ट को अप्रूव नहीं करेंगे, तब तक हम इस क्लास में ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो अप्रूवल पेंडिंग लिखा हुआ है, और जब भी आपके टीचर यहाँ पे आपको अप्रूव कर देंगे अपने एंड से, तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या हो जाएगा, अप्रूवल रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्टेड हो जाएगा, ठीक है? इट मीन्स आप इस पर क्लिक करके, अभी तो कुछ नहीं खुलेगा बिकॉज हम लोग अभी एनरोल नहीं हुए हैं, राइट? मेरे टीचर ने मुझे अभी तक एनरोल नहीं किया है, ओके? सो नथिंग इज शोइंग. तो जब भी आप एनरोल एक बार हो जाओगे ना, टीचर की तरफ से एक्सेप्टेड हो जाओगे, तो आप जैसे ही इस क्लासरूम में क्लिक करोगे, तो आपका वहाँ पे लाइव क्लास स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ओके? मीन्स यू विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली ज्वाइन टू द क्लास, ठीक है? सो दिस वॉज द process on how to create your ID as a student. And if you again want to enroll in another classroom, then you can see here enroll classroom option is there, plus enroll classroom. So you just click on this. Again it will ask you to enter classroom ID, right? So if your teacher has sent you a classroom ID for any other class, suppose class 4 5, any classes or any subject, then you can just copy the classroom ID from there, and you can write that classroom ID here, right? And in the same way, after writing the classroom ID, you can just click on this enroll classroom. You will be enrolled in that classroom, and the enrollment approval request will be sent to your teacher for the acceptance, right? So this was the process on how to create ID in Teachmeet as a student. So I hope it is clear to you all, and if you face any problem, you can ask me anytime by writing your queries in comment box. I will resolve your problem. Thank you.